We understand that consumers have many choices when it comes to HVAC contractors, but what separates John Betlem Heating from the rest is our commitment to go above and beyond to make sure our customers are satisfied. My grandfather always instilled in his sons, and my father instilled in me, that we do whatever it takes to make sure each and every customer has a great customer experience. One additional reason why consumers choose John Betlem Heating, I would say it's probably our whole home approach. We want to make sure the house is properly insulated, air sealed, so when we do install a high efficiency furnace, heat pump, we're keeping the heat in longer. We're making the house more comfortable. So if you think about it, when choosing John Betlem Heating, I don't believe you can make a mistake. We are going to make sure that you stay more comfortable and save more money.